Hey everyone, this is Sticks. I'm going to go over the trade that I took. Actually, this was a swing trade, and I got in on February the 6th. It was supposed to be a little bit longer of a swing trade, maybe, I don't know, a month and a half. However, I did exit my position earlier. I just got tired. It wasn't actually doing what I was expecting it to do. I got in at 2368, and as you can see, 2368 was right here where my cursor's at. It actually dipped quite a bit on me. I thought I was right at the bottom, but obviously I was wrong. It dipped, and then it followed the pattern like I have it drawn here. Finally, I exited at 2414, which was right here. It did go up all the way up to, looks like the high was 2440 or 2439, somewhere around that area. A little bit disappointed. It didn't do exactly what I thought it would do, but that's all right. The trade itself got me only $186. Normally my swing trades are anywhere between $400 to $1,000. This was very weak, but that's all right. It's green, so no problem there. It was a small amount of, I think it was 400 shares. Yeah, 400 shares. Yeah, nothing much. Just charted the patterns. I thought I was at the bottom. When it dipped, I did get a little bit scared. It almost hit my stop loss. It didn't. And then I saw that it started to follow the pattern going up, so I drew my channels. Sure enough, I knew it was going to end up being the positive, so I waited until it got me a little bit on the green, and then I sold it finally. It's possible that it'll continue to climb up here. More than likely, it might actually drop overnight, and then possibly go up a little bit again, and then continue to drop until it hits this point, and then maybe back up again. But yeah, so that was the trade for today. Nothing very exciting, or rather, that was the close for today. I didn't actually trade any options today. I'm not feeling very good, so I'm gonna get off here, go do some errands, and then just kind of rest a little bit. Maybe come back later tonight for some games. Actually, I have to edit a bunch of videos that I still have. But yeah, you guys follow me on Twitter, Instagram, obviously on YouTube, and on Twitch. Again, I plan to be giving some money away to fellow streamers. So if you are a fellow streamer, whether you're on Twitch, on YouTube, comment or leave your channel name on the comment section. I plan to give away money, record it, and then turn that into YouTube videos as well. Alright, thank you so much. Have a good day.